across town trying to get home when the blizzard hit. I tried to hail a taxi, but I couldn't find one, so I decided to walk. But as I did, the snow just kept getting worse and worse, so I started to worry that I wasn't going to make it. And then I saw this man standing with his arms extended, beckoning me. And I couldn't see his face, but there was something strong about him, something real. And as I got closer, I thought, is this how I'm going to meet the man I spend the rest of my life with? And then I realized it was a snowman. And then we made love for 5 hours, and some children definitely saw us.